opeso ko US opeso ko UK opeso ko Australia o ma bia opeso ko so bia no eye express group for ena di yen eko enyumeku akese wei ena enyumre yi wono mo boy echi do mo boy adonti ama ye vemu a bia wo bia no enyumre yetimi abane aba besom wo adwenkyere ena onsusu yebetimi di aba be kan wo abra okay on your social media platforms awodo no so oko Facebook wa Sompa 93.1 FM YouTube so Sompa TV Ghana wadwenche no nsusu o de bia hono mo a yeguso a yebe kase no mamo na busia yebe kenkan ede amamo ba de bekase a yesi nkonya nwumre ya ye de yetechirema eba bugu nsem no ho asewa amamo na ya obo amali bia boga nwumre mene
ejapia apam dada
yenye brain na fin some ne yenkomo ankasa emfa emamo yede mo hyase de free Ghana mraswe gefiem na sane ema munim no eja ade twedi ampo nyankrompo ya dom na ketremada bodwe moje de mafusane na eja we de teta we de so no mpe etwetwa dompe so na o ma de pabichi yeseye na yedware boya motom ne ya motom pada fe ya pese ne ya dege do papa bi fra Ghana mraswe gafo be ko adwuma no no ma akwa akohye mrase beye na o my Ghana yi ebefa no ntuma papa ede efrene so no se ne da omo ye no omo kwa adwuma omo ekoso omo kwa akwadwendwero mai konkro Ghana ho na adwuma no a omo ekoe na ansa na omo ebedu mrase gefiem hodom no na amampani na adodan kwa akufado atworo krata akoto mrase gafo na chi se wa power ra no mu mienu bi se mrase gafo no doso wunum na se fie ne kekawa bi ani wo mo ho a omo anyi wo mo ntum na omo nko mai Ghana ye court batan Supreme Court enkonko ye adwuma se ajagefo e hodom wo mu din ene Justice Richard Frimpong Opon and Justice Sophia Rosetta eye Isa o Justice Run mum yuni and amampani na adodan kwa akufado abo mu din a wo de krata akoto mrase gafo na chi se so mu doso wunum na fie ne kekawa bi ani wo mo ho a na je so mo dwo matuma mo makwa akwa ye adwuma se Supreme Court ajagefo na ekobase mampani tro krata asa no a ekosi mrase gafiem chi amehene Speaker of Parliament so na mrase gafo no nyina ba wabo mama ne yese nkra ifri mampani abanke sim ababetu yanimu nie na fi committee krona woso odane de mawunum no wadade amoma makwa akoto so akwa ye dwuma esefata so omoye ewo ho na ene Speaker of Parliament ebom raswejafo na mane yese krata sumesi ene obenten na mampani na adodan kwa akufado de free abanke sim de abreye no ene wode tato so oni ofi se bebi e keka kono ye Supreme Court ajagefo no do so do enti kebe ye kra no a yempe bebi nanka ebia yenka ne se yenhyemra nanka ebia se yenya dunum yenya benum yenya bedu a ene ye wo ko retirement ya nanka edi bia ba behim sense ye bese so makwa koguo no mutwu sa na sansem no a speaker kan ye no ena se hiwi osomra se gene anya ne da okoko yi ano se as a Speaker of Parliament ebebu asem no wa bra ono no eni to me se oyesa de no ena kofa bufu ba ya oni akwese teacher ni a watch ne nkwala de na akwala no wabuso wasem na wo na se obe me ma mete sem ene ne wotwe abasi ne so se krachi pia bonti na omuade a wani nso ade anya meso a ewo mrase gefie ma se na yeni kan komra na speaker kenkan ne nsem no na wabom mrase gafo na mande krata mampani na adodan kwa akufado ede beto wo machi no yenkoni yenkuti se ne speaker esi ekan ne nsem fai.
The matter is in the bosom of the House and the procedure is very clear. So when they report to the House, we will all look at this issue. But in giving you the information, I've given you an idea of the expectations of the people of Ghana. That is for you to consider as part of the report, and for the House to decide as to whether we will approve or disapprove those nominations. His Excellency clearly stated that he is constitutionally injuncted to do what he has done, and so it's now for you to also look at. Eavesdropped. The senior member is saying a few things, but since he's not saying it into the mic, I won't be the one saying it. Honorable member, you want to speak? If you want, I'll grant you the opportunity.
And James, your want to speak in India no na a doctor kwa free ye emrase geni o womrase gefie ma desia e wo se hwi so abaton pesia so and as abrenu a na Speaker of Parliament Right Honorable Alban Kingsor Sumana Babin working kind mampeni na adodan kwa kufado krata no a wode ababeto mrase gafo na chiri no working ka bo Parliament amane no no sususi wonu mu nyina no se na no na ye ne meka hema Speaker cracking kind krata no na nitua nanimu a okoye say ja honorable members wano eye beka wano kaboso gbagba sebe fuogiri enti ene so akasamu no na ne kasa gum na yehunu asem kra wano a wo pese wo kan enti onomo ena Dr. Kwaku Afriye se hwiye osomra se dwane ekwakwa ne se speaker wo de wo sonkra enti nkra na wo so de tuanim ne mum se wo de bi ba befoafo ho sa so office Supreme Court judge for do so dodo na yenwenwene ho na se yebetima te so ana se yehwe aso kra no a yakwakwa hwe aso na gesa asem no kra no wabua e de awie basa aso so a na etomra na no na anye speaker den yenkotie Dr. Kwaku Afriye sinu sika ne nsem 5 no sorry gina ho.
Mr. Speaker, with all due respect to your chair, these preliminary remarks you are making are prejudicial, and I believe that as representing the good people of Sevi also, it doesn't lie in your mouth to remind us of the things that you said. Thank you.
This is a completely rude remark, and I can send you out of the house now. It lies in my authority to do so. You represent the good people of Sefi. I represent the whole country. Please, Marshal, take him out of the house. Marshal, take him out of the house. I will not entertain such disrespect. It lies in my mouth. Honorable members.
Fonti Dr. Kwaku Afriye sashi yo somra sebe dwane na clerk for no na say men kan say we so watch man you say security you say yi posifo a wo parliament no say owura ni so mu kra ne bu afu am ka je say crash je mu so anye mu ane ane minu no oluma ne abrante de be bom wo speaker ni ma say na mu hu ya honorable Eugene so be MP no ototo ne nsa honom no o mu nso ho ni nyina na je say abufu aba pa titiro ene MPP mrasoja fonde na je say omo ekokutua so a omo efise speaker of parliament no omo nua peni Dr. Kwaku Afriye ni ya ye de ni pie ya Clark yi kwa akoso no mudi na pie nyina no wose crash je mu o crash wa nyemi mu a ye besia se nya papa eno asesa ne nkrata ye de ne ekro no na buzia abufo no ba ye nyina achi a ye de ni pie ya wose won koye du babi wo koto nyina no na atose ejapani ni akoda nya asem a eyire se dane a ye beka se akoda difo ema pani edebem enti ensawama do agire mrase bedwane onabo frank anodompre ono na akodom kese ni mu a eja wode chakra wojom de ema wunum wepo no wono ene majority ema osoriginal na so de echaw pastoronko eko de ma speaker of parliament said yesie bia no eja yesi pani de akoda no obejane na agu na so unkotwa opepa na kese wona wo se ntomesre se unyamanenka na asem so no ensi bebia esie no a.
We acknowledge the wisdom you have guided this house and how we have navigated as a house to this point. And I mean, we've had moments laced with tension. We've had some tense moments in this house. And in all that, you've shown leadership. And it is incumbent upon us in leadership to help you guide the house. What happened a moment ago was unfortunate. And so we want to, on behalf of the entire caucus and my colleague, want to render an unqualified apology to you and your office, and we hope that this draw the curtains and let's bring matters to a close, because we are very sorry and we apologize sincerely for what happened. So I say this on behalf of the member and also for the entire caucus. We are sorry.
Thank you so much, Majority Chief Whip. Honorable members, that ends the matter. No more comments on this matter.
Fonti we ene babia nkomono kokosi ya eje speaker bufu ye enam Dr. Kwaku Afriye na nsemo kan office wa muno amfa ni dia manua ale wo kan si abonten pam no frame na se gefiem no na to se eche opa bam e mansa wo mado gire mra se begane ono abo franka no dompre eginam e pachew e ma speaker so mu se asem ni si he ya we nkoye twan sem bia e ma nsa nkonkoye MPP ni NDC ama we meso jangum e ma we so no e matwe bia ni ntiene de kokosi ye e wo mra se begefiem eno no
no ene ye to aso badwafo no wo mu hia miso free drink ene 5G ende man to kwa bia ensi badwafi ho na ye to aso no me de Europe so na boboa no otumfo se tu a otekrabre ne ranwuma so ena wakasei adwaba okase bi ko so ewo UK mamu ton na no dwumadie no na asemti eda so ya asante amamre ene na mane ne yenka edum na eno won mo hwe tete hode apam dadanom na fe wo mo ahwe emprempren ya foforom se de AC bo na emu nkomodie ena openso so de gina ya wo kase se bi o se wo de woni toto na ahwe kane no a broni fita ba abibimam ho abesesa ya gudi ahodo na wo de koyi se bi o wamfa kwampa so nenso wono ma hyemra kete a chese se japade no wono mo hwe so e de amayen se bi o se ye pebi kura age wo mo de kire yen na enu achi wo ma san de akwakogu ena wo chese ebre na wiedu ebre na so se ye japade ahodo ye ndia de eye yabosom ahodo akwakodi wo mo nyina no ebehia se ye nsa betumi aka na mra ben kura na wo manyi mu se bi obi edi abonofosem na eta nachi na ebo no ho ban wobusa asasemi na se de wo sika no ewie ne buru ni fita ebo ne nsem sha ede kire.
In this room are victims of a system in need of updating. We are either victims of a system that denies us justice or victims of a system that prevents us from administering justice and doing what we know to be the right thing. From both sides, we need with sincerity to appeal to our conscience. Nobody disputes the fact that much of the cultural objects at issue were obtained in illegal, unethical circumstances. Can anyone in good conscience sustain the enactment of a law to protect illegality? That has to be monumental challenge to jurisprudence, and I dare say a challenge to what I unshakably believe to the British justice. My sincere hope is that in the fullness of time, sooner than later, state authorities will take steps to review laws contrived to protect illegalities and permit all concerned to apply themselves to the rational resolution of the challenge of restitution. I stand ready in the spirit of international harmony to invite the world to Kumasi for a global conference to seek universal consensus on the peaceful and rational restitution of illegally procured cultural objects. It is a fact that we had to replace the looted ornaments to be able to continue with the spiritual and traditional rights they were created.
Asantimanura and artist na wo kasa o yuka brochimamu no wo chese wo hwe kwan ya omfa so first ka okọ na ye de asichire gu onum ne ya jekọ eno no emra kwan mu etia ene nti wo ka ne pray enye pray mfa se ebre no awiedu se japade ne nyina Ghana titru na asanteman yensa bekan ade na yenka edum emanchirima nso abehu asomfa so
obzanfo yento asomfa mun free crop ya asante kotoko hinopem so say to otosumienu komoyo na informo encommand sukroje adwumaiku Ghana Water Company Limited wonum atena ye na de ye tete Sompa FM ne Sompa TV nsem for ye tete e de freeman sukroje adwumaiku Ghana Water Company Limited for atena ye ene so mo ba be hyase aye nsisi adwuma bi wo Kumasi abonten so titru ni Kumasi brono a ye fe ne se eye breman ene ne mpotamu na breman adwuma wono mo eba beye no ene nam so ma wo mo tonkra se efri eye America kreye we ni mu ekro no wanhwe ya na nsuo ho eba beye dene ewo Kumasi abonten so na ye hwese ye bekwa omano so na ye ne opani a wona hwani amansai din komo emama nsukruji adwumaiku eye opani Ebenezer Padina akwakodim komo na omo edinchemu amayen mame ema na dwe na mehwese obetime nke opani yemo adwumu akwa aba Sompa FM ne Sompa television so ni
many apeni mejo so etia wetiefo nyina
mene metiefo eje so enti adwuma ya ye tete ese mo beye no Kumasi no ebe hyase da bai ena mo be wie da bai
yo many apeni ma mensan fa akonya we so entia wanka se de mani entia wetiefo ene asantemen nyina kaka we bisa no ma menhyase enka se Ghana Water Limited ye yankabate wo asanteman team ebo asanteman eni supa no abebia ne ye de eboye ho asafoma ne ekase eba se ubeyi o customers atutre ana be mo ehu ne ekomu a abepi no ye pese customers etiase se omunti ene wo asanteman team nti na abet no dibidie de si na wo say yi
Yenina ye tie Sompa
na watching a mu no and ye de beto abonten say ye dro ben kese a eda ye bremai ahemfo no ho atochima kaka and engineers edi mika ko ho wo hwa ye oye de bia ye ka say insupa and e man kwanti no na wo say ni mani ma ni tumi so ano na ye de nsuo eba krom engineers temporary measures the so yes pipe na ho pa ye no but obi ka ye uko weni na wo say wo hwe say wo fidie ene obi bia odi ye adwuma no ehu ejina ye inti engineer hwe me say eye wo kwade ye da ye ni mu no oba de be ma ho kwan a ye be ko sa do ben ho biom na ye de bibia se fata no akogo ho awie wenti ema na se fata say ye sambo ye customers ya omuhu hia ye pa yi se BBC na Ghana water ye nti ye betro mo se omumunsuo ni bi fi ho sanya Wednesday no ye kwa M4 how PM rom na sanya obusa ye no ye hwe ni mu se ye Wednesday ene ye be shafe ye Wednesday an papa na onyame ebema ni shiro ebuye to a kwankwa pem Wednesday na numre no se bibia ambe bom enyinam kane asem ene bibi fofo bia meka ho a ye Wednesday na numre no ye bibia ebeba na ye na sound production above from na asantemai akoso agency pa ye Ghana Water Limited ye de momo
na openi padina ekoba se ya eyire said de ya ye wo areas bia womo ehon bekwa akodimu pa eye Kumasi nyina na sa Wednesday Yakopon ya adoma echina Tuesday na de chia Wednesday anopa na mo kwakwa ese adwuma no the whole Kumasi ene be affected and say ye wo areas bia womo de womo ho bekwa akodimu pa betima boboso enka de amaya
yo many up in my sanda was Osha Barricade treatment plant na eno ne ye ba santimante ma eye Ghana Water ye production center super supply almost 90% of Kumasi metropolis no inti se hunto chima ana se ye call of say na Kumasi metropolis kese na na ho beka na meka kese na ye hwe efi achiase eba bepem swame etwemu kosokoban kuchi bofu yedu fanchine bla ebetwemu ko odiom fumesua eba buokrom eko fantastic eko miamia ni nyina wo ho no meka se baby kakra owabe esumomo no ena omo de omo ho hye danka batie Kumasi kokese ne dia nia pi asokwa edum ni weni nyina ehun beka nti na ehun fata se yebeyi ye customers omo sombo no afitire
enje opani o ka kire se we no eye Wednesday nko a bia enkwotera nkoduru bia be Thursday Friday Wednesday so de eye midweek you
sa pepepe o share ye engineers any penifo edumo mo de gu form na ye bompa ye se bibia ambe bom ye nka se external factors bi ambe bom dia wo ye yepono so de nyame eto ni hwe gu ye so a Wednesday enumre no na ye de bibia aba na wiye
na ade baako a amanfo tabusa ho asempa ye swami interchange ene swami kwan no a contractors eye aba ba mu ebi kotre na ebi ko hwan no ye won se yenye engineers de yenye technical people to say bia mo but ebedu ba bi no nam kwa no won se mo pipe kakraka tuntum bi da form no mo saa na bia ya dweredwere ho adwuma no mo ye no enkofa how bia ma wenku an ye behu se bia sa problem we ya bantim economy kwa solve ye hwe ne mu se bia ebi bedidi animu aba na bia ya boa ye ho ana
many apeni asendi say die emu edi nanso obeye me say o hwe ne ba ye so ho na eye adwuma ni bia mom ye ne contractors no akọ eye ntiasie se bibia omobeye ana de bia omobekọ no omuyi asutre tanya yensu ye behu ne ya momuae obi kan ye ne papa mu no ene enke wose nyina ye bomu bebedu bebe no omutumi timu ansa na yaso ate nti obi kan ye Sompa FM akate for the insone ba but modern bubisi o if you say edumeku a eye kwan no abe pii no na fidie ebetumi etfi be ho na enye se ebi aboapayo mu enti empire ne ebo se eme bi nsibium na nso aye eduma mo nso mo ye no ogoni kan ye external factors ka ho ene nyama pii nti se unforeseen circumstances say di ba na se ho tochima the best na tinamufo ne customers e di akyeye by empire ye boni se contractor no so ebe hwe ahweye se oko nanimu no obehwe ni fidie no ye na ontiti ye pipe no ho bi na for how dia emre ya santimanten mu nsusem
na mo pipes na egu so amran about no ne mo dan no aso mu dwiri mo wo no ho bugu yi enko ha yen
mini apeni o share Jumedia Ghana Water Limited ye di na
ye tie Sompa
na ko bia onu sunsun sem ho enya no ebenya nkitahudie no emfa o how bia emre asanteman
yo
na te bibi san so beba ye beyi masutre senya be bia no ye no
yo openi ene anwumre mi na wase ye wase pa why
na so me da se mini apeni
yo observe openi Ebenezer Padina ena ehweni amansan din komo ema mansukreje adwumaku Ghana Water Company Limited ena wachechi nsem dia chenje busia we dia hotoso ne bema o da ho so hu bokiti no se eyekuraba kra fa senso di bisi wo why se eyekuraba kra yeze onja se adidi mu nyina no so betimi dia senso ni bisi wo no ma fa se bisi wo so hu se beyo na adi no mo kwakoye no anu wo chechire mu se eye Wednesday nko no se bibia akoye a na zankoye yekroma ya abefu etu etu nwumre nyina yi anko ya ne ene de ntie senso de binsi wono mo na yehwese enkonko hadwene pi
ene na ahotoso ene bema enti boaboa ho esie medo ko mfimfini mantam na henkuro ogwaimu na ano memre da na ese woni ense o ka kire do ma kire so ho na no ena sompansa ntwerofo ye bopini ho no yehu odododi omra hye badwani yewura Edwin Nilante Van Dapoy ene ne dom na ni nyina yese wo maka won ho abom ye wo ma se de be na afia bato December 7th e beto no kini yenkunimdie ebetimi aye adwuma na 24 hour economy a mampani dada adwo Muhammad ya hyebo no ebetimi abem na eho na maame Abigail Elo Mensa won ne pia dom edema ema no ebedi akire wode echese emabunu na ogina won so pa isanse adeche aba no nkunimdie beba egina mabunu no so ena 24 hour economy no so emabunu da ache ni se hunti wo mommo aboso se de beye na nkunimdie be echi ne yede ya
na wo pray ya wa make ya wa ya nanzo ya tu fifi na ya won tin na ya safety election na wa no no say that we are ready for the battle ahead na yes the more for the money let's go on kwasi we yes ye na ga paze ye na guti bi biara wo send wo plan wo ka da wo put bi biara no say that they yes so it no na ya ti ya ma mo tu me nya sa ha mo hu be sia tu pi wa where is the future for the young Ghanaians? And some opportunity there. It's not Ghana, have they? Now another opportunity to call the clinic toilet. But you have the clinic toilet. I'm a decent one I am. And Ghana will be the opportunity to have another time. No one in Ghana because of a month of Panama for Sweden. And she has now a neck. I see about the airplane.
no wabapa Abigail Elo Mensa won na ye deputy women organizer de ma NDC amanyoku no wo sre yewura kufu dampare so wo mwa pa na asundwie entimenye adwuma na wie no anso ho na regional chairman Edimakui yewura ekopani wono nso de tija chese adawurumbo wo kane prenye premfa wo munyere wo ho pa emwa na chiniye wontimi mra konwa so na wo ba na Ghana ebenya nsupanom
I think you have to cut the camera in the police and put it one thing. I ain't here. You buy your mother. I bought my hair by your bottle. And this is when you're ready. Your person did. Never say, I'm going to go IUP. When you ready, nobody's the one what you say. What? You see, what? I don't know your
eno eye titire ni di ma chine amanyoku na ewie no yewura Henry wose yakoto wono nso na aba furukuru mu a wagina se yento no so aba no wonkomra se badwafie e wo chine yedin mu na wono nso de ne de epi so sanse dwumade no wo wase bi no wo kyese emfimfini mantamu we de yemo amodea afi monhohoro mo adwi mu pa na mo mamoni nna ho te se sabio nsamansama esama ne tamfo ensuo mu na mo nto aba no machine ye entimi ninkunim Jumadi a wono mo hyehye no yewura Henry Osakoto wono na ye dompiafo edema na wono anso kine ya ba mu wadi tumi wo mo pa na ewie ye no wo mampanin dada wanya ne ba bi ko Professor Johnny Van Satafi famous ne ba ye ne se Kofi Atamelse wo se afia ba no kine ye mu no eye mabunu dia ente mabunu se mo hwese de na ne papa pa asundwe a mo no mo asa asundwe ebetimi aye Ghana nyina de
Johnny Van Satafi peace war Sasaka peace ana asumjia ena yaka yan Professor Johnny Van Satafi aye yan papa for central region ade da wana sipi da TS Afro Napa in your numbers this election I am president to December ya peda obia yezi asumjia le yazo to aban what is most important here there majority of the people going to vote this election is the youth we are urging all the youth here today to come out to your numbers because 24-hour economy is developing as the youth. Into your community to Aba, and Jamal Mahama. Now, your proposal is that I can say, I want to tell you,
Professor Atafi famous ne ba Samuel Kofi Atamelse na ate ne nka editwa toyi.
Abuzanfo yemfomu from on your same way na yemfomu enkongomasuemu kakra. Nyina ni mosam se ya cheche for mo trade we teacher training colleges ahodo na yefene se colleges of education no omo ediomu nkuku no mo nkaka gufamo ase ne mo kase omo etifie di omo yerenom eduane na sa strike ya wodoma kono bebo so me di akire abiri bia ye beti o aban fre wo mu no makwa kosia ene atraya ewe sikasam no ntotuye so obam atraya hwa apedie ne adwuma ye so bam atraya hwa ngumasua so na kese omsuso mo do mo ho agim na ne agim je ne kro no a National Labour Commission mpenimfo so bam bi ma kese nkomo no mokotena se a abibi ombeko bia na akwa ehwetere se ya samada ya omo se omo ya achechefo a omo echira achechefo ade omo tete ma no amoma babonti ababe ya achechefo chechefo na chira de we universities no certificate kurikura wo mo no enu abia na ekuta wo mo nti ebe ya akatua ene nwanam a yede ma sa achechefo no mo nhwe no mo mfa bi ema wo num eno na wo man so ma twene mfie bebreni a sesei nzo tapo kireni oje wo omo etitifie ya na ene wo ma yensamtwefo nhyiam kire se omo husasa abamu mpenimfo epeso omo popo mani ede ehunehuna ena ede ba wo mo so na yentua moka ena mo ye kra no a ye bepam akwakofa posifo ne asojafo aba be cheche nkwala na de a ena mo ka kire mpenimfo no se ye ehunehuna ene ni popo ena omo de beba mu de a omo ka kire omo se omo asem no be omo gina ena omo egina Colleges of Education Teachers Association of Ghana omo etitraining ene ura Prince Obehima ne nchechire mu ene.
Finally, NSC is making all effort to misinform the public that it has obtained an ex parte injunction against SETAC's ongoing strike action. The undiluted fact is that NSC filed an interlocutory injunction motion against SETAC on the 9th July 2023 at the Labour Court 1 in Accra, 2024. SETAC's lawyers filed a motion in opposition to the application on the 16th July 2024. The interlocutory injunction in question motion was to be held on the 17th, was to be heard on the 18th July 2024. But when the parties went to court that day, the case was adjourned to 6th August 2024 due to the absence of the sitting judge. As we speak now, the ex parte injunction that people have been talking about, I am the president of SETAC. I can be easily located. I have not been served any such document. I have no knowledge about it, and I'm unable to comment on a document that I have no knowledge about. We are not running anywhere. If there is any document from the court, I think the right process is that you look for the person who is standing in for SETAC and then serve him with that. They know the procedure. We are yet to receive any such document. And when we receive it, we'll give it to our team of lawyers to give it the response that it deserves at the courts. Ladies and gentlemen, we are by this statement informing the public that SETAC's strike action is legitimate since the union followed all laid down processes before declaring the strike action.
Observe nti we your penny prince obey hima wono ana ye penny kwanchefo eda ya chechefo no a omo ekira de wo ye teacher training colleges ahodo no womo ekubatan no
ene yewura prince obey hima nsemia so na eda so gina na sanhyemude ko so wa west kum ho na ode to dwa chese de san bu womo aprekura ne sesabio sa gtech foi na no wombe kasa ban na tuabu kan research allowance 199 million Ghana cedis no o de makanti machine kura fifiri bete no ama ebewie na ebe bo afaso sese ke nya de awom nsaka ena ni nyina echi no wom nsaka ka se wonum a eye achachefo ewo ho no se wom di agro ebewie no wo makatu yakura nya de de bema wo na kampese wom asa ba be ye adwuma biu wom san bo asa kire won se baby ekeka kono universities ni be ye quiz nom ene ade na eno so kura no se wo mo amma wo mbehwe ama asuafo na asua na wo mo aye no wo se hwe no kura bi anim se motena se ya nunu mo ho na mo san seresere a ebewie na timamufo no ne wo no ma ye adwuma yi ene eba bebre no on de wo ka ne pre ye enye pre mfa se de ekwa bia no gtech fo ka ho sana prenko fo ka ho na fi National Labour Commission wo mo ne aban no akoda ketekro so ene wo mu chinchim niema abaye amatimamufo abetwa wo mayampia.
This is what we interest the media, this penultimate thematic point where we are going to look at twisting of information by GTEC, Penkoff and the NLC. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, we want to draw the attention of the public to the series of misinformation put out there in the public domain by GTEC and the NLC in the past weeks. The first of such misinformation was put across by GTEC 2 weeks ago, that government had paid to SETAC members an amount of 199 million Ghana cedis as arrears for book and research allowance for 2022-2023 academic year. The fact is that as we speak today, 22nd July 2024, government has not paid any member of SETAC any such money. And the media is here, you can verify. My good self, the president, up to the last person who was recruited yesterday, nobody has been paid any such money. So we want such information to be treated with the contempt that it deserves.
Yewura Prince Obinhima ene SETAC for president and I say said the worker say GTEC for akase aban atua wo musika bi no na kure bi enim intimotia ehurudu rada sem
afiyan fomo nko sika semu ani da kwan se odon for ya dom na ketrema da bodwe mogedi mafusa ne yantia tinkaboni bia ne seja no mpetutu no mpetu na bode teta bode so for a ohwo mayi sika sem no ntutu so ebe komrase be gefiem na kom sika eye afi no pem afi ne pem sa no a nhihye mu no nse ye ba be sha afi na sesa osofo sika sem no ntutu so komrase be gefiem na afi sika yede be bo man no ho brafi mu no nyina okosesen ene esempoa teku me de beto wei edi we beto meko de we ato jene edi we ato nsesawa de wei esoso akwakoto nkyene edi aba beto nko enuma mana Ghana for yenuma ma yinum aye frem na saa kwa masika saa no a eya na okokoje ne mra no so saa kire se saa fene pemu a oso komra sbege fiem ekocheche ne mamu chemra sbege fo no se sika no omode ma no saa fe no ya pemu no a je se yi second half no ye ba be bonu se sika ne se beso no se enso no mra ne se oso afo sika sem no ntoto so komra sbege fiem na ode ekoto mra sbege fo no animu afi na emfa ho ene ne sasa braya browa ko to dwegyina kire no abro abomode aye brobro epema kwa mu a odomfo ya dom akina mra sbege ni owo mra sbege fiem a de hia ewo karaga baton peso so no akro no a esaso eye omayi ye so afo sika sem no ntoto so Dr. Mohammed Amin Adam ebe komra sbege fiem na ne yakosibo ni friend say media budget review no ode akwakoto mra sbege fo no animu na eni da kwan so obekro no na ye tete say Ghana ma de hye bi no ma hyase edidi nkomo de omo hwe animu say media budget review no ebe pie mu aba ede de omo hwe animu say papa na ede ebekọ akosimu ye nuanom omotonton spare parts so amazing ene omu digwa na die ni ade esoso de omu nsusu ye eba na omu nchiremu ene de omo hwe animu odonfo ya adom akina no omo echiremu sei
Because of Bia no one media review budget no more yen. I have brought for Casa no more country. Ye will be beer also because you hear and then baby $1 and then any Jumana yana. And as a jet, and your boy, drama, so get ship off for me soon. Yeah, and I'm working before. Yeah, baby, a person now. And I'm not rewarding the what they can and baby traffic. Not show petrol to Busa. Another day, benefit by another Wabe Brana and the bread. And me wouldn't say Abano, shut a beer no one. No, maybe I remember your I have no for Casa. I don't know. No, yes, what you man, me, and business. Now you're debating. Okay, send a go media house or your businessman. What the sick $2 grow. There will be a lecturer, be a teacher on your score $2 grow. At the end of banning it took us $1 and said the billions crowded by agrophobia almost to go almost sabotage the government. They say the Jumaya over port, they said the people is about. But over still over set to sky day. I will chance and no maba. And no man so pray bana. Ababa what me a free port. I have people be come on. They say Uncle Football pass task force. No about this year. What choker or no dear. Why am I 5,000? Why am I 7,000? This is how we know what to do. Also, if you say, ABS, I don't know where I'm to the best answer over 2 years. Now they are more to me. I can say, every person may remove beer, but any funny at 2 of mine. Yeah, but was in Benny. Maybe I was in Benny. Go to name them. Who had a 22 horses at 12 by now. Then say, nah, baby. So did they? Tipper so I'm at it. So. They say, that's how so. Actually, Omano, Nina is over home day.
I was on phone to a nuanom motonto na de ja da de so amazi fui spare pass ne ko mo nchen a omsusu de omo hwe ni modon fo ya dom akina $1 yi ene ne mabo ne tema habo ene me besum hono mo a na eyakwakwa bibibia etoda soso a ese tax force wo gina kwa mu dwa wo masum no ena no mo bobo so de kire ye no
abusua kasatoma ye frɛ ne sɛ pie wampie a me pie agya enya abadwafie ho nko a ne to odwa wo na no bra wono mu a ɛwɔ adansie nsa homa ho ɛkɔ nhyiamudie ya na wono mu hwɛ sɛ wo mu ɛka bi ebem na wo mutumi ɛhyehyɛ ma ɛboɔ yɛ da cement sonom etimi ɛba saafo nyinaa mra nhyiamudie no yewura Tyree Hammond wono ene yeso afo hwɛ yadwadie ene mfididwuma ho nsenso panin yi ɛkɔ sɛ wono wo mu kwa kɔhyia ne kɔ wie na wono mu a ɛhwɛ cement boɔ ɛde ba ebe wura no ka nkyɛ sɛ wo mu ampie wo be pie agya won afi kokɔ wie na ɛde menteme ho ase na ɛba ne no na yewura Emmanuel Cherry wono ene ye penimpa woda Chamber of Construction Industry na no wode kyerɛ sɛ saa menteme ho ase ɛba hɔ no wo mo ene panin no ene abadwafo ni nyinaa tena ase asese de wo mo no masundwe abua mu
Trata edi former honorable minister ayɛ de tu nsa fɛ no krataa no yɛkyerɛ ɛwɔ mpefe nkurɔfoɔ a yɛtu nsa afrɛ mu ɛba saa meeting no nti the cement manufacturers ɔmo ka ho cement dealers ɔmo ka ho AGI ka ho private enterprise federation uta ɔmo nyinaa 27 other stakeholders na yɛfrɛ ɔmo ɛba saa hyɛ mu nti we surprised sɛ a single out dan kɔkɔɔ pɛ na asɛm ɛsi ɛba saa no na yɛpɛ sɛ yɛde meeting ba yie because the minister kan no yɛbu ngye ho na sɛ yɛmu ngye ho but upon certain thought no yɛho sɛ yɛni manufacturers no yɛhyia dada nti a week before that meeting nti ɔmo conference no ɔmo de amansɛn dɛ yɛakyerɛ no nyinaa nti aka ministry deɛ na yɛbɛtie na yɛma ne sɛn dɛ yɛfa yie ki yie na yɛhwɛ deɛ yɛn nso bɛtumi aka ɛfa saa asɛm mu saa time no we needed the minister very badly and then the position of the ministry concerning the regulation and until we pleaded on behalf of what they call it the manufacturers say na ɛkɔ no ɔmo mfa kyɛ nanso they should excuse us for some few minutes to get back to them which they oblige nti meeting no kɔ so paa meeting no all right here ɛdi bɛ mi yie yeah meeting both sides say the ministry of trade and industry together with Ghana Standard Authority ɔmo ɛde hyehyɛ adeɛ to sɛ ɔmpɛ sɛ cement industry no ɔmo de hyehyɛ bɛba hɔ na ɛbɛtumi ama pɛripɛri yɛ ɛbɛbɛm because some time ago ɔmo sɛ some of the manufacturers you know they were producing low standard material.
Bra cementi for ana wono ma ye cementi ebe wura meeting nase a yewura keti hamon ka se wo mo mpia obepia agya won no ena yewura Emmanuel Cherry e de to so mpanse ntwerefo animu se wo mo tena ase amasesei etu no akwakotwere ba bi atwere
yeri asede ma Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited for say omo edi etu kwan akọ amama hodo so akwakoye adwuma opese okọ oman best so ekoye adwuma ekoye business ekokosua de ekokora akokotena honom ekope business partners ekonsra hwe say ye Canada say ye US say ye Australia say ye Germany France Malta Portugal, New Zealand, UK, Serbia, no na opesa oko. So ye nursing, midwife, pharmacist, lab technician, or the uye kweni, uye teacher, ni uye jumo bank, uye ibrecha, ye carpenter, ni ye libra, ye watchman, crown apesa utu kwanya. Obzia, bebi apesa uko bia, ye do echo 0539858766 0539858766 na on the Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited Edin Common 3A Herbal Center at the 3 Cool Capsules Abega Soa Onunum Bia Koko no Asie Ship ama Asie Etu Koko Ntida Bia Osisi ya Koko Ntida Bia Wanisu ya Hine Koko Ntida Bia Wasum Eyo Frem 3A co capsules so and ye come for a day amount for the Drugs Authority in Penning for Jetum 0546107107 me zone 5G drinking yegusua ye no nom o ye we ye wedding birthday party outdooring and awoye and our pet drink papa asevo mana two de mase we munyama me zone 5G no and yes sevo 0246270221 21st clinic ye call near Siatic and Tinenoa a chichi tutu ye no yakwa doctor for ahwe e de amaye yenko a ene ya sabia e ba na Siatic and Tinenoa e chicho no ho adwuma ya bene ye wonfidie ye wa doctor for wa nurse for a wo mo eye ho adwuma yenko sorosoro no o de wo ho de afri ho 0540311311 nafi express group so entem kwa so wo mo edie tukwan obese okọ my best so Canada US UK Australia New Zealand Germany France Belgium Italy UK nom my bia pesa okọ so bia express group yedin ene honam se express kwa so ne agye visa ediamao say ye permanent work visa na wo pe say ye visit visa na wo pe visa bia wo pe bia ebuzia he uye adwuma onye adwuma uye adwuma bia uye bia wo de hia so obeba me pese me ko Canada me pese me ko US me pese me ko Australia me pese me ko Germany ye tumi kra pa adwuma emma wa ukoduru ya na woko no akwa yi adwuma no express group no Kumasi wa staff labor runabout no so and enkran so off Kaneshi first light wa Tema Community 18 Lashibi Golf Lane Station no ehwa asoso ye wo ho ene eni nkomo 0249 000448 0249 000448 na ye boaw na ye de wakoma bia opese okoso so womo enema ye vim anwumre ama ba bia wo bia na yetimi abane aba besomo ye na ye ho ani empinso bi mobombra ye ba nsem ne pi na ka kira ye de be pi mo so
clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibidro ene besa oyare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 That's the 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hie yi pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder brakasa powder siesi nipadua na baako ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni sushie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya brakasa powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 brakasa powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agi atum
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku, afraina mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, ene me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otwedi dimusa no.
Oh, Express Group hadarumenti. Akwento aye for. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be call mine be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say aye to ana se visiting so a. Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should mention a crime of Kumasi, Asafule Roundabout Accra, so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Moa Macho for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05 444 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Sompa TV, Emma Akituapa.
Yes, also mama kwa babi oba Sompa television ye nwumre kase so ye nto aso mfama mo ne mfama nko sene west abaton peso ya so e wo bono east mantem ne mo na NPP amanyokuo ne fa e wo sene west abaton peso ya so na o mani abedie ene ene bedie nso jankasa mrekwa de o manane a o mo akantam densi awi abogu so akota from abatwese kwan bia so afia konya no o mo agide afri ndc fo nsem e wo empeso ya no so opani a wona ye twetwofo opani abedie chire e de ma NPP amanyokuo no no East Mantem no mo Imam Seydou Mahama ene ne nsɛmhwɛfo di nkɔmɔ no wɔ kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ɛfa Casio calculator sesen ye ɛtoto niema ho no ɔmo hwɛ ma NDC fo egina so ɛde agi akonya ne di firi ɔmo nsɛm no a nso ye ɛdɛm no ɛyɛ bedu nsia 16 pɛ na fi kwan bia so ɔmo hwɛ adwuma mampani na nado dan kwa kufo do ye ne mpɛsia no so a ɔmo bɛgi akonya no ɛde afiri NDC fo nsɛm Imam Seydou Mahama
Sene West account ho abom Sene West aye poised say sit no 16 votes difference no ye over 10 come December 7th wa ultimo say youth no ma ne mema ye papa no nkokrafo mrewafo mo nyina kan ho abom say enne emra so say since 1992 NDC for asum ye sum bone amomuo bone a omodi asom yen Sene West for enne akan ho abom say they go over 10 na ya we sitting for the first time e be ama Joseph Kumamake ana His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia empuntuo
Abuzanti weye aye churchofo pani abedi chairman NPP amanyoku no obono isimantem no Imam Seydou Mahama ne yetene nke na ono no de ekokogu ye no na de wogina de NPP amanyoku no ompesua no so ora John Joseph Kuma esoso ede kakra so srenka bomu ene odo ne ntiase se nya adwuma wo party man ntem
for the first time I NPP amanyoku ya de jebe yes come 7 December